What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, a company called Andar was kind enough to reach out. They've sent over a few products, so you're going to see a couple of videos coming soon with more products from Andar, but this is one of the first ones right here. Now, as you can see, I've got my M1 MacBook Pro in the 16-inch form. I have been using a case on this just recently, but it's not the speaking one you've seen. It's a case that I haven't done a video on, and I may do a video on soon, but it's got its own kickstand on the bottom, so you can mount this up and it'll tilt forward so you can get some work and stuff done. I may do a video on that soon. It's from a company called Subcase, so let me know if you want to see that. But this is a bit different. This is called The Helm, and it's from a company called Andar. They were kind enough to reach out, and I've smelt the iPhone leather case, and if this smells the same, it's amazing leather quality, believe me. They sent the Helm out in this nice bag, but if you take it out of the bag like so, it comes in an envelope. Not too sure what else is in there. So there's an Andar sticker and a thank you card inside this. Now, this was the note that they sent me. I'm not going to show you the note because obviously it's more personal to me. I've got a few of these now and I do decide to keep hold of them. But as you can see, full grain leather, Andar, nothing else on. Oh yeah, MacBook Pro, jet black, 16-inch. So let's open it from this side. Let's just take the unboxing knife and slice like so. There we go, there's one. And there is the Andar case for the 16-inch MacBook. Smells just as good as the iPhone case. It smells just as good. Now, there does have a foam insert in the side, so we'll take that out. A very small piece of leather inside. But as you can see, it says Andar full grain leather, etched, sort of embossed inside the case. You've got the Andar logo embossed into the top portion, and the leather is already wearing quite nicely. It's going to go on that way, so let's go ahead and place it on. Slides over. Let's take the bottom portion, place it in the center. Okay, now let's take it like so. Let's lift up the lid and let's place it in. It just clicks into place. Clicks over here, embeds itself into the groove, and it clicks on this portion right here. Doesn't click anywhere else. The top piece clicks on in the top right there. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see that, but it clicks on right there. Clicks on to the side, and it clicks on a bit further down. If we close it over, sure it's pushed on. Oh, that is so nice. You got the Andar basically engraved into the case right there. If you flick it over to the bottom piece, you've got Andar engraved again right here. You got little feet as well where it'll sit, so it won't sit on the case. Cutouts right here for your fans. If we turn it around, cutouts on the top for your HDMI, USB-C and your memory card slot. If you turn it around to the other side, cutouts for your MagSafe, 2 USB-Cs and your headphone jack. Feels really good. I like that a lot. And then you just lift up. Now, they do it in other colours. They do it in a sort of a camel colour. They do it in a brown leather and a few other colours. So I'm going to leave it linked in the description down below if you want to check it out. But I appreciate it nonetheless if you do go ahead and check it out, and if you want to pick one up for yourself. But this feels really nice. Like, it feels amazing. The leather is just so nice. I know I'm a big fan of carbon fibre stuff, but having leather like this on your MacBook Pro, and I think if you're out and about and you're traveling, I think that will be a nice sort of working case for me, you know, going forward, because people always comment all the time, especially when I've got the likes of the Subcase on, you know, people always comment, well, what's the case you got on your MacBook, where can I pick one of them up? You know, I do get it quite a fair bit when I'm out and about, especially in hotels. Yeah, that feels really good. I'm really happy with this. This is one of the nicest cases I've had on the MacBook this far, and the smell from the leather, and it's going to wear really nicely, as leather does. You know, proper leather wears really nice. The team over at Andar were kind enough to give me a 15% discount code just for you guys, so use the code paulrankinyt at checkout and you'll get 15% off your entire store-wide order using that code down below. I'll also leave it linked in the description, and the first pinned comment will be the link and the code for you to use to get 15% off your entire order with Andar. This is absolutely lovely. The smell of the leather is amazing. I've got more Andar products coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for those. Huge thank you to Andar for sending this over and providing you guys with a discount code. Huge thank you to Andar for sending this over for me to even take a look at it. Can't stop touching it. It feels great. It feels really, really good. I wouldn't get any work done. I'd just sit there doing this. If you like this video, drop a like. If you love to, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on. Don't forget, affiliate links down below for you guys to check out. Thanks very much, guys. I'll see you all soon. Take care. Rah.